Ladies and gentlemen, so in this channel we are committed to showing you how beautiful Abia State has turned to be. This is a place called Brass in Aba in Abia State. Look at how beautiful it has been decorated for this Christmas. This type of things don't usually happen in Aba. That is the truth. For over years of the past government, this is the first time we are taking some of these things seriously in Aba, especially in Abia State, trying to decorate everywhere. So take a look and see how beautiful Brass in Aba is looking like. So anywhere you are around the world, make sure to visit Aba this Christmas because it's going to be a lively city this very period.